increasing trend of providing elderly care at home, combined with the growing use of technology, has made security cameras a vital component of senior care strategies in recent years. The significance of security cameras in elder care cannot be overstated, as they play a pivotal role in enhancing both safety and the overall quality of life for the elderly. This is especially true for seniors who live alone or face health conditions that limit their physical abilities or cognitive function, as security cameras serve as proactive measures against potential threats. We have listed the top 5 best security cameras for elderly care in 2024 and their dominant features so that you can make an informed decision. We have also included the link to each security camera in the description box so you can purchase them directly without any kind of inconvenience. Number 1 is the ROLILINE E1 Pro Indoor Security Camera. The ROLILINE E1 Pro Indoor Security Camera is a standout recommendation in 2024 for ensuring the safety and security of elderly care. With its cutting-edge features, including dual-band capability, it effortlessly operates on both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies. It ensures a flexible, stable, and lightning-fast Wi-Fi connection. Setting up the camera is a breeze. Plug it in, connect to your wireless network, and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Experience peace of mind with the ROLINE E1 Pro, the perfect choice for securing elderly care. With an impressive 4MP Super HD resolution of 2560 x 1440, this camera delivers unparalleled clarity that goes beyond what standard 1080 cameras offer. The resulting videos boast exceptional sharpness, capturing even the smallest details with remarkable precision. Furthermore, its night vision capabilities are equally remarkable, with infrared LEDs illuminating the surroundings for up to 40 feet, ensuring clear footage even in low-light conditions. The ROLINE E1 Pro is a compact indoor camera that combines functionality and aesthetics seamlessly. It not only ensures the safety of elderly care, but also adds a touch of style. As the runner-up for the best security camera for elderly care in 2024, it serves as a testament to innovation, reliability, and an unwavering commitment to the safety and tranquility of elderly individuals. So to buy this security camera, check out the link mentioned in the description box below. Number 2 is Kronic's 2.5K4MP Indoor Wi-Fi Cameras. The Kronic's 2.5K4MP Indoor Wi-Fi Camera is a comprehensive surveillance solution designed to ensure the safety of elderly care in 2024. Its high-definition 2.5K resolution captures vivid live images, guaranteeing every detail is crystal clear. The camera's impressive 355 degrees pan and 120 degrees tilt function provide complete coverage, allowing you to effortlessly monitor every corner of your home and find peace of mind. This is particularly crucial for ensuring the safety of elderly individuals, as you can easily track their whereabouts using your phone. It comes with dual-band Wi-Fi, 2.4/5 GHz, and 5 decibels antennas, ensuring a stable, flexible, and high-speed connection. It offers custom presets, allowing you to conveniently access and set up to 8 monitoring points, saving you valuable time and effort. The camera is compatible with a wide range of systems, including iOS, Android, Windows, NVR, NAS, and more, providing versatile usage options. With its impressive 20-meter color night vision and 4MP Super HD, this surveillance camera ensures crystal-clear indoor monitoring even in low-light conditions. The 24/7 recording feature supports up to a 128 GB SD card, providing continuous recording and informing you about the safety of your home, children, and pets. The camera is compact and substantial, measuring 10.63 x 9.72 x 4.06 inches and weighing 2.75 pounds. This camera is an excellent addition to your home security setup. It strikes a perfect balance between size and functionality, delivering optimal performance. If you want to purchase this security camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box. Number 3 is ROLINE Home Security Cameras. The ROLINE Home Security Cameras exemplify versatility, seamlessly fitting into any indoor space or withstanding the elements outdoors. With an impressive resolution of 2560 x 1440, it goes beyond mere footage capture, breathing life into every detail with stunning 4-megapixel clarity. Whether day or night, its 8 infrared LED lights illuminate the darkness up to 40 feet, ensuring impeccable night vision with crystal clear precision. With its remarkable 360 degrees pan and 90 degrees tilt capabilities, it acts as a vigilant sentinel, effortlessly covering every angle imaginable. It is equipped with intelligent motion tracking and effortlessly follows any movement, ensuring no crucial moment goes unnoticed. It also supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi and is enhanced by the two T2R9MO antennas, ensuring a robust and stable network connection. It also seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant, and it responds to your voice commands for hands-free control, making surveillance an absolute breeze. Furthermore, it offers multiple storage options, allowing you to save clips on a microSD card, up to 256 GB, or connect for continuous monitoring using a REOLINE NVR. With the free REOLINE software, you can easily access the system remotely on various platforms. It allows seamless two-way communication with its built-in microphone and speaker. Whether using an iOS or Android device, a Windows PC, or a Mac, monitoring your space has never been more convenient or crystal clear. To get this Wi-Fi security camera right now, click on the link in the description box below. Number 4 is SV3C5MP POE IP Camera. In today's rapidly evolving world of 2024, ensuring the security of elderly care stands as a matter of utmost importance. When it comes to safeguarding your elderly loved ones, the SV3C5MP POE IP camera emerges as an exceptional choice. With an impressive 2560 x 1920 HD resolution, this camera delivers crystal clear footage, ensuring exceptional clarity day and night. It surpasses the capabilities of traditional 1080p, 3MP, and 4MP cameras, providing unparalleled detail and peace of mind. With a convenient built-in SD card slot, this camera allows you to choose between continuous recording or setting up motion-triggered video alarms. You can effortlessly save all your recordings to a micro SD card with an impressive capacity of up to 128 GB. Regarding security alerts, the POE camera acts as a proactive guardian, promptly notifying you of any detected motion via text notifications on the CamEye or CamEye Pro app. It can sound an alarm and send email alerts with 3 snapshots directly to your inbox, ensuring you have real-time awareness at all times. This 5MP surveillance camera offers seamless integration with a variety of third-party software options, such as Blue Iris, ISPI, Zoneminder, and more, to its ONVIF conformity. It is also compatible with NVR systems, expanding its range of functionalities. However, please note that while most functions work harmoniously with third-party software, some may have limited compatibility. If you're interested in this security camera, check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is the sYNE Light Bulb Security Camera. The sYNE Light Bulb Security Camera is a wireless marvel that will revolutionize elderly care security in 2024. With its effortless installation and compatibility with 110V till 240V sockets, setup is a breeze. No drilling, wiring, or power cables are required. In just 3 minutes, you can have this innovative camera up and running in QR code mode. It's as simple as replacing a standard light bulb. This camera features a weatherproof design with an IP65 rating, ensuring durability in any environment and making it ideal for elderly care. Whether it's on a porch, in a garage, a garden, or a warehouse, rest assured that it can effortlessly withstand the elements. With its dual-band Wi-Fi capabilities supporting both 5G and 2.4G frequencies, you can expect a strong and reliable connection at all times. The advanced camera's 4MP color night vision ensures crystal clear video recordings, even in complete darkness, with an impressive range of up to 66 feet. The differentiating factor lies in its human motion detection auto-tracking feature, which intelligently identifies and follows human movements across a wide 350 degrees field of view. You effortlessly control the camera through the sYNE app, enabling smooth pan, tilt, zoom, two-way communication, and seamless playback from anywhere. Share access to this camera with your loved ones easily and seamlessly integrated with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free convenience. If you want to purchase this office security camera right now, then check out the link given in the description box. After reviewing each of the top 5 best security cameras for hotel rooms in 2024, you now have a clear idea of which one you should go for. No matter what your surveillance needs are, one of these best security cameras should definitely fulfill them. With their top-notch features, you can now enjoy peace of mind knowing that your hotels or property is always protected. Hope you have found this video to be valuable and informative. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For the latest updates and more such videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care.